To assemble the device, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Release the latches on the side of the container to remove the power head. Turn the container upside down and insert the casters into the slots. Apply pressure until they slot into place. Secure the casters with the supplied screws. This vacuum cleaner comes ready for dry vacuum cleaning with the cartridge filter pre-installed. It can be used with or without a dust bag fitted. For wet vacuum cleaning, replace the cartridge filter with the foam filter supplied. Turn the retainer lock anti-clockwise, then remove the cartridge filter. Carefully install the supplied foam filter over the internal filter cage, making sure the whole cage is covered. Insert the locking end of the suction hose into the suction port of the container and turn clockwise to lock into place. Place the suction hose around the hose storage rack. Place the airflow control handle, extension wands and accessories onto the storage posts.